are Abby and Lucy from Games for Girls.
And we are here today in the Mornflake Milk Kitchen and we are making our tropical overnight oats. So first up, we need to mix all of the dry ingredients together. So we've got these jumbo oats, jumbo Mornflake oats. We use these rather than like a super fast or finer oats just because it adds the kind of
a bit more bite, a bit more texture to the
Yeah.
recipe. And then second of all, we added in 15 grams of chia seeds. And then last up, we've got some desiccated coconut, 30 grams of that. And
And
we're
mix
just going
all
to
of
mix
those.
all of those.
So next up we're going to put our wet ingredients in. So this is coconut yogurt.
A little bit of vanilla bean paste, but you can use vanilla extract if you want.
Just adds a nice little bit of vanilla flavouring.
And then here we've got 300 ml of light coconut milk,
It does look like quite a lot of liquid that we're putting in because we're about to add some water.
150 ml of water.
But given that these oats are soaked overnight, they really do absorb so much of the moisture from the liquid. So today we're adding mango and pineapple.
So we've got 100 grams of each of those. You can use frozen as well, that works just as well.
So this is starting to thicken up a little bit now that we've mixed it all together. And we'll now transfer it to a Tupperware to soak. Now we will just say that these oats can keep for several days. Actually, do get to quite keep. Let's just make sure that the fruit is nicely dispersed. So we're now going to just pop these in the fridge to cool and soak overnight. So this has now been soaking for about 12 hours.
And as you can see, it's got much thicker. All that liquid has really been soaked up. And then really nice thing to do is to top it with some toasted coconut flakes.
Just for that extra bit of texture and flavour on top.
Looks pretty too.
Would you like to do the honours?
Yeah, go on.
Good?
So good.
Okay. So perfect for a post-gym breakfast, post-gym snack, or breakfast on the go, or even sitting at your desk at work. If I do say so myself.